हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है x इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x प्लस 1 इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 टाइम्स x स्क्वायर प्लस 5 टाइम्स y दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 144 and 4 times x square plus x plus 5 times y this is equals to 24 and we will find out the value of x and y। देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इस वाली प्रॉब्लम को हम किस प्रकार से सॉल्व करेंगे। Here look carefully this algebraic expression and this algebraic expression. This expression is 3 times x square plus 5 times y. And here this expression is 4 times x square plus 5 times y. So if 4 times x square is split out x plus 3 times x square, then 3 times x square plus 5 times y here and here. And here x square plus x, and here this x is multiplied by x, then you will get x square, and this x is multiplied by 1, then you get x square. So this question is very easy. X is multiplied by this x, then you will get x square. X is multiplied by this one, then you get plus x. And 3 times x square plus 5 times y, and this is equals to 144. And here 4 times x square is same as x square plus x, and 4 times x square, and 3 times x square plus 5 times y, this is equals to 124. Because x square plus 3 times x square is 4 times x square, and here x and here 5 times y. Now look carefully. If we put x square plus x, this is equals to a. 3 times x plus 5 times y, this is equals to b. Then a times b, this is equals to 144, and a plus b, this is equals to 24. Now here 2 equations and 2 variables, so we will find out the value of a and b by using method of substitution. Then here if we find out the value of b, this is equals to 24 minus a. Then a times b is equals to 144, and this b is replaced by 24 minus a, then you will get a times 24 minus a, and this is equals to 144. Now this is multiplied by 24, then you will get 24 times a minus this is multiplied by a, then you will get a square, and this is equals to 144. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then you will get a square minus 24 times a and plus 144, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of a. So by using factorization we will find out the value of a, and then a square minus 24 times a is same as minus 12 times a, and minus 12 times a plus 144, this is equals to 0. Here if we take common a, then a square is divided by, then you will get a, and minus 4 times 12 times a is divided by a, then you will get minus 12. And here if we take minus common, minus 12, then minus 12 times a is divided by minus 12, then you will get a, and plus 144 is divided by minus 12, then you will get minus 12, and this is equals to 0. Here a minus 12 is common. If we take a minus 12 is common, then here a minus 12, and this is equals to 0. Now a minus 12 is same as a minus 12 whole square, this is equals to 0. And we know that if a square is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0. So a minus 12 whole square, this is equals to 0, it means a minus 12, this is equals to 0, and then value of a is 12. And we know that b is equals to 24 minus a. b is equals to 24 minus a. If a is replaced by 12, then value of b is 12. Here a is equals to 12 and b is equals to 12. Now a, value of a is x square plus x. Then a is replaced by x square plus x, and this is equals to 12. And value of b is 3 times x square plus 5 times y. 3 times x square plus 5 times y, and this is equals to 12. Now here this is quadratic equation in terms of x. So first if we take all the expression in same side, then you will get x square plus x minus 12, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of x. By using middle term split we will find out the value of x. Here x square plus this x is same as 4 times minus 4 times x, sorry students, x square plus x is same as 4 times x minus 3 times x and minus 12, and this is equals to 0. And if we take common x, then x plus 4, and here if we take common minus 3, then here x plus 4, and this is equals to 0. And if we take x plus 4 is common, then here x minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Either x plus 4 is equals to 0 or x minus 3, this is equals to 0, then x is equals to minus 4, and here x is equals to 3. Here two possible values of x. So case first, x is equals to minus 4, and here 3 times x square plus 5 times y, this is equals to 12. Here x is replaced by minus 4, then 3 times x is replaced by minus 4 square plus 5 times y, this is equals to 12. And 3 times minus 4 square, that is equals to 16, plus 5 times y, this is equals to 12. And 16 multiplied by 3, then you will get 48, plus 5 times y, this is equals to 12. And plus 5 times y, this is equals to 12 minus 48, and 5 times y, this is equals to minus 36, and y is equals to minus 36 divided by 5. Now if we take x is equals to 3, then x is replaced by 3, then 3 times 3 square plus 5 times y, this is equals to 12. 3 times 3 square, that is 9, plus 5 times y, this is equals to 12. And 3 times 9, that is 27. Then 5 times y, this is equals to 12 minus 27. 5 times y, this is equals to minus 15, and y is equals to minus 3. So here value of x and y, this is equals to, if we take x is equals to minus 4, then value of y minus 36 divided by 5. And if we take x is equals to 3, then value of y is minus 3. Students, this is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.